Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Discord server on Discord. So right now I'm on Discord's homepage, and as you can see I already have one server created, but right under it, as you can see, there's a little chat option on the top right corner. We're looking at the top right corner right now, and then we're going down, slowly down. So first we have this little comment icon, and then we have the first server that says HS, and then right under that we have a little plus sign. So we're going to click on the plus sign and create your server. Start from a template: gaming, school club, study group, friends, artists and creators, local community. So I'm going to click on gaming for me and my friends. So create your server, How to Libraries server, create server. This is the link. You can just copy it and send it to your friends so they can come into your server, but we're gonna skip this step. And that's about it. That's how you create your server, guys. Thanks for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.